Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to zoom in Notion. So let's get started. Step 1. Log into Notion. Visit the official Notion website at notion.so. Log into your account and access your Notion workspace. Step 2. Navigate to your page. Upon logging in, you'll land at the main page displaying your team spaces and pages. Step 3. Zooming in. While on a page, locate the right side of your keyboard. Find the plus button, hold down Control button on your keyboard. While holding Control, click the plus button to zoom in. You can repeat this step to zoom in further. Step 4. Zooming out. To zoom out, still, hold down Control, click the minus button, continue clicking the minus button to zoom out to the original resolution. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.